viewers, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about REDMAGIC 4K gaming monitor. So friend, REDMAGIC has launched the first generation of its 4K gaming monitor with an ultra fast refresh rate of 160Hz, and its display is designed for gamers who demand amazing visual quality and performance, and introduced as a dive into the gaming reality. The 27-inch gaming monitor features over 200 mini LED lights with a 16:9 aspect ratio, and it delivers 99% DCI-P3 with the HDR VESA-certified display 1000 and equipped with a dedicated anti-glare feature. And friend, this monitor offers gamers an exceptional level of performance, responsiveness, and clarity with over 2000 mini LEDs, offering a full 10 lakh gem 1 contrast ratio and featuring a stunning resolution of 3840 x 2160 UHD, and provide lifelike 4K UHD, so pro gamers can truly enjoy each victory and in both FPS and MOBA games, as well as with sRGB or DCI-P3, provides gamers with a sharp, responsive gaming experience with an ultra-fast refresh rate up to 160Hz and almost zero input lag, and the 6-port allow players to connect device quickly and easily, including HDMI 2.1 bandwidth compatible with FreeSync and G-Sync. And the 4K gaming monitor also has a DisplayPort 1.4x2, USB Type-C x 2, USB Type-A x 3 and earphone jack, and players can also organize their gaming area with multifunctional stand which can handle PCs and gaming consoles, and even change charge Type-C device to connect their favorite device easily. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.